Scene opens with dramatic, black-and-white historical images. A man pushes a wheelbarrow overflowing with worthless banknotes in Weimar, Germany. A shot of empty shelves in a Zimbabwean supermarket. The screen flickers with images of long queues outside banks. What if the money in your pocket, the numbers in your bank account, suddenly became worthless? For the average person, it's a nightmare where their hard-earned savings can't even buy a meal. The scene transitions to a bleak, tense atmosphere. The worried citizen is now haggling with a desperate merchant, a tired-looking woman in an apron, trying to trade a silver watch for a small bag of rice. The grocery store behind them has barren shelves. The streets are filled with tension. Small groups gather around makeshift fires, and protests have become a part of the daily landscape. The merchant shakes her head, the watch not enough for what little food she has left. The impact on daily life is swift and brutal. Society begins to unravel at the seams. The simple act of buying groceries becomes an impossible challenge. Shelves are stripped bare and supply chains grind to a halt. Bartering replaces currency as people trade tangible goods, food, medicine, fuel, anything with real, intrinsic value. The social contract phrase as desperation sets in. Crime rates soar, and neighbor turns against neighbor. The very structure of communities, built on economic exchange and mutual trust, breaks down into a primal struggle for survival. It's a world where a lifetime of work can be wiped out in a matter of weeks, leaving families destitute and futures uncertain. The final scene shows a glimmer of hope amid the ruins. People are seen exchanging small gold coins and using smartphones to transfer cryptocurrency in a makeshift market. The worried citizen successfully trades a small amount of crypto for a basket of vegetables. People turn to assets that hold their value, like gold, silver, or foreign currencies. In the modern era, cryptocurrencies offer a decentralized alternative, a way to transact outside the control of a failing state. Eventually, the chaos subsides. A new economic order must be born, often through painful reforms, and the introduction of a new, credible currency, sometimes backed by foreign aid or hard assets. The road to recovery is long and arduous, a generational effort to rebuild what was lost. The scars remain, a permanent lesson in the devastating consequences that unfold when a nation's money and its trust is utterly destroyed.